1 inches and falling. Here are some reports across Delmarva at 3 p.m. At Ocean City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 69. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 76 at Georgetown, Delaware, 73 at Annapolis, 78 at Salisbury, and 74 at Tualaps Island, Virginia. Other nearby locations at 3 p.m. It was cloudy. It was 76 at Philadelphia, 74 at Washington, D.C., 78 at Richmond, 77 at Norfolk, and 67 at New York City. Once again, at 3 p.m. at Easton, Maryland, it was 75 degrees under cloudy skies. At Dover, Delaware, it was 72 degrees under cloudy skies. At BWI Airport, it was 72 degrees with light rain, and at Wilmington Airport, it was 74 degrees under cloudy skies. Here is a nearby buoy report at 3 p.m. At Thomas Point Light, the air temperature was 72 degrees. The winds were from the Salt at 16 knots. The water temperature was 72 degrees.
The current time is 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Friday morning through Friday evening. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood watch for portions of the lower eastern shore of Maryland, North Carolina, and Virginia, including the following areas: in the lower eastern shore of Maryland, Dorchester, inland Worcester, Maryland beaches, Somerset, and Wicomico. In North Carolina, Bertie, Camden, Chowan, Hertford, inland Currituck, Northampton, North Carolina, Outer Banks, Currituck, Pasquotank, and Perquimans. In Virginia, Accomack, Amelia, Brunswick, Caroline, Charles City, Chesapeake, Chesterfield, Cumberland, Dinwiddie, Essex, Fluvanna, Gloucester, Goochland, Greensville, Hanover, Henrico, Isle of Wight, James City, King William, King and Queen, Lancaster, Louisa, Lunenburg, Matthews, Mecklenburg, Middlesex, Newkent, Newport News/Hampton, Norfolk/Portsmouth, Northampton, Virginia, Northumberland, NOAA, Fullerton, Prince Edward, Prince George, Richmond, Southampton, Suffolk, Surrey, Sussex, Virginia Beach, Westmoreland, and York. From Friday morning through Friday evening, heavy rainfall associated with Tropical Storm Andrea will bring the potential for flooding, based on current forecasts. Total precipitation during the event is expected to reach 2 to over 3 inches, with locally heavier amounts possible. Locally heavy rainfall may cause small streams and creeks to rise out of their banks, overflowing low-lying roads. Do not ever drive into flood waters. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding, based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. This is the surf forecast for the following county: Delaware beaches, Delaware. Today, sky weather, becoming mostly cloudy. High temperature in the mid to upper 60s. Beach winds, southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Surf, 2 to 3 feet. Swell, southeast swell 2 to 3 feet. Dominant period, 6 seconds. Surf temperature in the lower 60s. UV index, 9, very high. Rip current risk, moderate. A moderate risk of rip currents means wind and or wave conditions support stronger or more frequent rip currents. Always have a flotation device with you in the water. Swim only in life-guarded areas. Lightning threat, none. Tide information at Rehoboth Beach. High tide at 6:47 a.m. Low tide at 12:46 p.m. High tide at 7:15 p.m. The official National Weather Service forecast for eastern Maryland and the nearby inland areas of Delaware. Flash flood watch in effect from late tonight through late Friday night. Tonight, showers. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles